Before I joined the interview, I was a fraud specialist. I am still a fraud specialist in the firm called JPMorgan Chase. Initially, I had a few projects that I was working on, and data implementation was very crucial. And that is the reason I was introduced to interview. After application and the courses that I went through, I was able to handle large chunk of data in an easier manner using machine learning algorithms, which helped me on very critical terms when I was working on my projects in JP Morgan as well. Interview was very convincing for me, and they were very suitable for my type of learning. And it was almost like a constant support every time they were backing me up when I had doubts with projects and my own assignments that were given during the course. Like I said, they had given a detailed description of how we have to implement certain algorithms, and also they were able to help me how to implement it on my own business projects and all of that. That gave me an edge. I mean, I'm sure when it comes to an institution based, like the other institutions, they might be there. They would be having that set goal where you'll have to learn these set of algorithms, go through these crash courses, and then find a job and move on. But that wasn't the case here, and upskilling my own methods of implementing and working with data. And that was the basis what I recommended even on my review in Google's, because interview had much more of a personal effect on my studies more than any other institution that I've at least checked out. I would say interview mentors help a lot when you work on your self projects, and that is something that I really liked about interview.